Little bit of curve in the air, little bit. That should travel all the way and drop beyond the boundary. Won't be the last opportunity. He's one of those players that can score all around the park, like Finalin as well. So this is a very difficult opening combination to bowl to. That's 4. And so the range hitting, it seems, has shot the ball. That was the in swinger, and it has gone to the boundary again. Expensive over, 21 off it.
On being there. Good change, but didn't work. Long on, couldn't cut that off.
Down to long on and taken. So a wicket in Akshar Patel's first over, and a change of bowling and change of